Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Checking in on natural gas, starting with the hourly. We've got the inventory report coming tomorrow. Do this little head and shoulders bearish reversal pattern on the hourly time frame, where our neckline was that 336 support. We had bounced off of it multiple times, couldn't bounce off of it. This time, dumped through it, lower lows, look at the bounce attempt, previous support, now acting as resistance again, back test and rejection, and then follow through to the downside, and was noting the correlation between oil and natural gas pretty similar today, and I didn't put natural gas in the oil video, but we'll put oil in the natural gas video, where we had the same clear support at 5206, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and it took a little longer to get the break, but we got that bear breakdown, and then the bounce, the back test, and rejection. So certainly seeing some similar action between natural gas and oil, these commodities, same back test and rejection. So the bears are taking over in the short term, and that inventory report tomorrow is going to be pretty important, checking in on the daily time frame where this puts us, pulling back after the short-term bounce, and ideally forming a higher low now, compared to the low down at 3098. Should be pretty easy for the bulls to do, pending a disaster earnings or inventory report. But from here, the bulls are looking to establish a higher low, wherever it may be, and then get back up to the recent high, which is 3495, and to get a higher high to reverse this trend. So after that dump, nice oversold bounce played out, certainly a strong bounce. Now we need to establish that higher low and get that higher high to have confidence going forward. The weekly time frame, following last week's bullish reversal candlestick, we are not confirming it, so we need to keep that in mind. Without a bullish reaction tomorrow and for the rest of the week to get back up towards the 340, 350 area, we are not going to be confirming that solid bullish reversal candlestick. So need a convincing higher low formed. At this point, it's currently 3282. Bulls would love for that to be the level, and for a bullish reaction to the inventory report, getting back over 336 and looking up to 3495. So we'll see how that plays out, but at this point, bears are in control, and they're going to need that catalyst of a bullish reaction to the inventory report to turn things around after that key support was lost in the short term today. So there was also some big call buying activity in UNG, so potentially follow the money type play. It's definitely a bet being made on the inventory report, so we'll keep a close eye on that. But after this tightening range on UNG, a clear bear break to the downside, we filled this little gap here, and the bulls are looking to ideally form the higher low, as I said, on natural gas, and then see a move up over 861. We have 863 and 861 as our two resistance levels to be watching, and the bulls hoping that 820 is our higher low, and we progress forward from here. Weekly time frame not confirming the bullish reversal candlestick, so pretty much the same story as natural gas, the commodity, just depicted a little bit different here and with some different moving averages. So bears in control of the short term. Bulls need that catalyst on the inventory report and need to turn 336 back into support. We will check back in and see how it all plays out. I appreciate you watching. See you then.